Hi, today, we will learn how to make a GP appointment on the phone. GP means general practitioner. A GP is your family doctor. He helps when you are sick. You can call your GP if you feel unwell. Let's listen and practice.
Good morning, Green Street Surgery. How can I help you?
Hello, I want to make an appointment, please.
What is your date of birth?
It is the 12th of May 1985.
What is the problem?
I have a cough and fever.
I can give you an appointment on Wednesday at 10 a.m. Is that okay?
I am sorry, but I am busy then. Do you have another time?
Yes, I have an appointment on Thursday at 2 p.m.
Yes, that's fine. Thank you.
See you on Thursday. Bye.
Bye. Now you know how to make a GP appointment on the phone. Keep practicing. It's your turn now. What will you say if you are making an appointment for your child? Drop your answer in the comments below.